Hello, I'm your host, the Chicken Man with GKG Poultry. I'm here with my garden on an early summer afternoon. 2018 is getting to be a hot summer here in Texas, but with our heavy mulching techniques, we rarely have to water. Anyway, let's start this quick tour of the GKG vegetable gardens for 2018. In our no-till heavy mulching garden, I'll start off with these Marketmore 76 cucumbers. Here is some Cimeron lettuce that I'm letting go to seed. These are little green eggplants just starting to fruit. The Jimmy Nardello Italian peppers are almost getting ripe enough to eat. The tomatoes we're growing this year are pink vernissage. They seem to be doing well, and as of the end of May, we have our first tomato ripening. Mixed in with this lettuce, there is a broccoli plant that I had left over from one of my horticulture classes. Just past these additional cucumbers is the last bit of my curly kale. Entering our melon garden, the golden crispy cantaloupes are doing well and have many young green fruit. Mixed in are a few Desi squash plants that we have been harvesting. These Orangelo watermelons got a late start, but are really starting to grow now that it's getting hot. Past the watermelons, these butternut squash are booming with fruit. Here is a graft of a peach into a apricot tree. Something you might not know about me is that I love to graft fruit trees. Here is my pride and joy of this gardening year, Lakota squash. They seem to wilt slightly in the heat of the day, but are growing and setting fruit well. I can't wait for the fall to harvest them. In this pot, I've planted jalapeno peppers and some cantaloupes that are growing up at the chain link. In the tilled garden, there are peas, beans, okra, and sweet corn. That wraps up the first gardening video of 2018. Tell us what you're growing in the comments section, and don't forget to check out our social media accounts, like the video, and subscribe. For now, happy gardening, and don't forget to keep your plants happy and healthy.